What is up, guys? Today I'll be breaking down Tymon Kolosinski's 3.78 3x3 single. And yeah, this is the European record. So first of all, let's get into the solve. Scramble and the reconstruction will be in the description. So thanks to Stewie for reconstructing this. Anyways, he did yellow cross. So as you can see here, RF would insert these two cross edges, and this corner is also going to be solved, so he takes advantage of that. So RF, like that. And this is an R2 away from being solved, and this is also an R2 away from being solved. So he does a D2 to move these two cross edges over here, and U prime, R2 moving this cross edge, this F12 edge and this cross edge in place, and doing an F2 to insert this last cross edge, and a D prime would give him all he needs. And that is what is pretty interesting, because he does a UD prime at the same time. And he, instead of doing what I would have done is I would have just done this pair, like L prime, U prime, L2, U2, L prime. That would be the pair I'm doing. But he did this pair instead. He did the righty slot instead. And what he did next was, of course, do the pair I just talked about, which makes sense, right? So he does a U prime, and then L prime, U prime, L2, U2, and of course you can just cancel into the next pair. So, but he didn't cancel into it because, like, you can cancel into that, but that doesn't give you your edges. But so that means doing a L prime UL and then inserting the pair would give you all your edges. And basically how this works is, what you can do is when you have your pieces stuck in like this, you can just look at the edge. If there's 3 edges on top and 1 edge, wherever the edge is, you have to insert it into the slot to get your edge orientation. A bit more on that later, but anyways, I'm gonna go to OLL. So he just has a left soon here, so U prime, left soon, U prime, and that's it. So as you can see, this is a very simple solve. He doesn't actually need to do any fancy stuff. This is a rare solution where doing the simple thing is actually the optimal solution. And most of the time Tymon solutions are complex, but this time the simplest solution is the most complex. So RF, D2, U prime, R2 prime, F2, UD prime at the same time, double sexy, U2, but not a U2, he did a U prime, and then L prime, U prime, L2, U2, L prime. And then here to get his EO, he did L prime, UL, U, R, U, R prime, and then OLL, followed by PLL skip. So I'll be showing you what I've been talking about. So you saw how he got this last pair case. When you have the edge over here, you insert the edge into the front like that. When you have the edge like this, what you want to do is, again, you want to insert the unoriented edge into the slot like that. You would do that and then insert. I would just do an FUF, but that's what happens if you do this. And there are a couple of other ones. So when you have this one, like when the edge is over here, you would do L prime, U prime, L, and then insert the pair. And there is this one where the corner is over here, the edge is in the front. Like here, if you want to insert it anyway, it doesn't work. The only way that would work is to pair it up and then do a sledgehammer. So pair it up and do a sledgehammer, and that's kind of annoying, but yeah, you kind of have to deal with it. But yeah, those are the cases, and Tymon knows all of these. That's why he's able to get all his edges whenever he gets a case like this. So yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Congratulations to Tymon for getting a 3.78.